I have a box from Wantable. So if you want to see what they chose, it's as much a surprise to me as it is to you, and how it looks on. Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me, but you can't see him. And Chloe's on the phone and Dexter's with Chloe. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun, fashion, beauty, you name it. We do a little bit of everything here. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I'm just finishing up a stitch fix. So that's where the sweater and the pants and the shoes I'm wearing are from. The sweater's going back. It's not a good match for my body type. It's a crop. You'll see it in a minute. So Wantable, I keep like putting off my style edit. And I don't know, they must have emailed me and I missed it. You have like a very short period of time, like not even 24 hours from when you get that email to when they send you a preview. And once they send you a preview, you're already locked in. So I'm like, well, whatever. I have $60 worth of credits. I might as well use those up. And I picked, I think, 2 things. You get 9. I only picked 2. I didn't really like anything else they were showing me. And I gave no notes. So it'll all be a surprise. Because, I don't know, I was a little irritated. But let's see what's in this box. Now, Wantable is a Stylist subscription service. Although I am pretty sure they are almost 100% algorithm, because they immediately have like 18 pieces to show you. And if you don't like things from that 18, you can say load more and they're going to load more. So I think that they have pretty much done away with their stylists. They might have some for, I don't know what reason, because I feel like they pretty much just go with an algorithm, which mine didn't even match the things I would normally be looking at. You can get a style edit, an active edit, and a sleep and body edit. They are a $20 styling fee, which you get back when you purchase anything. So you don't get the box for $20. What you do is you get that stylist for $20. But the first thing you buy, it takes $20 off of. You don't have to buy more than one. They no longer do a discount. What they do is if you buy 3 items, you get X amount of dollars off your next one. So I don't really like that system, which is why I've avoided them for a while. But again, I did have some credits from some previous ones and said I might as well just chin up and get something from here and use those credits up and then cancel, because they're significantly more expensive than Stitch Fix. Like a lot of the stuff they showed me was over $80, and I'm like, I'm not paying that with no discount. Get out of here. No. All right, let's see what's in here. Now with Wantable, you can get clothing, jewelry, although it's been a minute since I've gotten jewelry. I don't think they have a lot of jewelry anymore, and handbags, scarves, but no shoes. And like I said, not much with the accessories anymore. There is a bag to return anything you're not going to keep. Oh, here's their My Wantable rewards, but it doesn't really say on here. What's it say on here? Keep 3 items, get $30 on your next order. 6 items, you get $75, and all 9, $120 on your next order. Now it says you're a VIP. I don't know what that means. I would assume that's for everybody. The price for everything in this box is $619. I do have that $60 and the styling fee, which would come off. And so that would bring the entire box to $577.57, although there's no possibility in which I keep all 9. Okay, so here are my items, my 9 items. There is, it looks like, a handbag in here. You know I'm a sucker for those. The bag is by Jen & Co. It's super cute. Look at this strap. There's also a shorter strap if you just want to use it like that. All right, in this pouch over here, we have a little pocket. Then there's a little, this is small, like it's not really big. My hand just fits in there, but there is that inner area to maybe store things you don't want to accidentally have fall out because it doesn't zipper, it snaps. And then this area here, no additional pockets. Okay, that's cute. That's a definite possibility. It is the Karina bucket bag, and it is valued at $74. Again, I do have those $60 credits, so it's a possibility. Okay, first up, I did select this from the feed because the little bit would love it. That would be Chloe. It says Lucky Catch. Super cute lobster. My daughter's big into marine sciences. And then it has some really cute lining there. Next by Skies Are Blue. Okay, that's kind of up my alley. From Liverpool. Now this is a cute little sweater tee. And it's kind of pink and tan. From Citrus. Now, if you sent this to me in October, I would be like, that's kind of nice. But you're sending it to me, it's 90 degrees right now. And it's 7 o'clock at night and it's 90 degrees. But it's cute, but I don't even want to try it on so hot. From Apricot, we have, this is a cute dress. It's got some cute ribbing there. From West Key, we have this kind of crossover. It is a true one. It's not sewn up together. From 78 and Sunny, this is their in-store brand. These are some pull-on pants. They have pockets. I'm not sure about these, and I don't think they don't really have much in the way of petites, so I don't think these are going to work for me. I think they're going to be way too long. And then also, this was the other thing I chose from 78 and Sunny. So I chose two things. These are some crop jeans, and those I figured would work for me lengthwise. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get to trying some stuff on, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back with my first outfit. So I chose those 78 and Sunny jeans, which are a perfect fit. And this, I think it was by West Key. I think they're called a surplus shirt or surplice. I'm not really sure. When I read the description, we'll know. And I have to say, I really like both. I was hoping to just spend my $60 and be done, but I don't know that that's going to happen, guys. So the top is the solid woven short sleeve surplice top in plum by West Key, $54. And the jeans by 78 and Sunny are the cropped Caroline wide leg jean in Pacific, and they are on sale for $74.25, which I think I had seen. I was like, you know what? That's not a bad price for jeans. And then I just threw on these Toms that I got in a previous Stitch Fix. All right, guys, what do you think? I really like this outfit, I have to say. I am really keen on this outfit. I feel very put together. All right, let's try on some of the other tops. Okay, so I am back with this little white top, which I can pair with the jeans, because those other pants don't have any structure, and I think they're going to be way too long. So I will try those on for you guys last, but I just think everything's going to go much better with this, with these jeans. But super cute. And I could definitely see this as an outfit that I would wear to work. Other than the shoes, I can't wear open toes to work. And this is the embroidered short sleeve top in green blue, $59 by Skies Are Blue. And I just love this embroidery on here. I just think that's so pretty. All right, on to the next top. Okay, this is all kinds of it's really a cute pattern, but it's just too snug, and it's not at all flattering with these stripes. So yeah, like I did put on a strapless bra for the dress, but I think even with a strapped bra, it's just not going to be for me. And this is the crew neck knit tee with rib trim in pink wavy stripes. Liverpool. It is on sale for $44.25, but it just doesn't fit good. And even if I did upsize it, I still don't feel like just the whole fit of it itself is a more slimming fit. So even if I went up to a large or an extra large, I still think it's going to not do justice. So this is definitely going back. And I'm not going to even give you the back view because it is going to be all kinds of ugly back there. I mean, it's all kinds of ugly up here. So, all right, let's try on something else. Okay, so I am back with this, which I really just threw over the other shirt. So I didn't really go anywhere and get changed. I just threw this on. And it's painful, guys, because, again, it's 90 degrees and it's 7:15. Actually, I think it's gone down to like 87. So yeah, like sweat is pouring off my forehead. But this is so stinking cute. Look at that. And I love the inner lining. And this is the Comfort Fleece Hoodie in Heather Gray. It is by Velvet Heart, and it is $69. I really wish they had that discount because that would make this a no-brainer. All right, now I'm going to go try on that black sweater with those blue pants. Both heavy. Okay, I don't even have words for this. I don't even have words. I don't like it, obviously. This doesn't fit well. It's tight in here, which means it pulls here. Yeah, no. And the pants, I mean, they are a little long, but you know, they're just not like a style that I would wear. I don't know. I just don't, I'm not really like, I mean, first of all, they're super high. My belly button's here, and here's what they have to be. So that's way too, that's like grandpa high. That's not even high waist anymore. That's just like grandpa high. All right. I have one more thing to try on, and that is the dress. Let me go over the prices for this though. The top is the Aliso Polo collar top in black by Citrus, and it is on sale for $37. So it's a nice price, but I just don't like it. It just doesn't fit well for me. And then the pants are the A Bezel pant in Mariner Midnight, $99. No, no thank you. They're too long. It's just not something I would pull for ever. I mean, yeah, they're cozy because you can pull them on, but I mean, here's my bra and here's the pant. Oh, no thank you. All right, we're going to find the dress and give some final thoughts. Okay, so last is this cute summer dress. I don't know how I like it on me. It is a great length. Like for me, this would be a long dress, and typically longer dresses come down to the ground, and it goes really cute with the shoes, but it's not really the most flattering, I think, on my shape. I'm kind of like, so Chloe is very much a fan of the dress. I'm still not sold. I don't know. I'll go look in the full length mirror. It's hard when you're looking into the camera here to tell exactly, but I mean, it is a pretty dress, but it is also pretty expensive. So this is the smocked crochet lace tier dress in navy by Apricot. It's $109, and I just feel like I could probably go without it. Like, I do have other dresses, and I could probably get something of similar style from someplace like Marshall's or TJ Maxx. We don't have a Ross's out here, for about 30 bucks. So I think this is going back as much as Chloe likes it. So definitely that last outfit and that pink t-shirt are going back. This is likely going back. I do like the pocketbook, I'm not gonna lie. Well, my mom was eyeing it though. If I keep it, she might take it. I like the jeans. I really like that first top. Kind of like the second top too. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I only have a couple of days to make a decision. So, yeah, I'll probably have to make a decision before I get this posted. But let me know your thoughts anyway. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.